But what I want to talk about today is really, when we go to conferences, we get all these great ideas, we're taking notes, we're scribbling everything down, and then we get back to the office and those notes go on a bookshelf. We just get so much to do on a day-to-day basis that we don't really have time to put that into action. So what I'd encourage you to do is still take those notes, but as you're doing it, put a little mark or a checkbox or something on the key tidbits, the actionable things that you could do that you think you might want to add to your fundraising. And then when you get back to the office, instead of going right on the shelf, just pull those tidbits, not everything, just those tidbits, and put them into what I call the idea bank. So this is either a folder or maybe I use Evernote. It's a digital note-taking app, and it just has a folder in it called Idea Bank. And these are just a list of ideas, so it's all kinds of things I can do. One of the biggest problems with putting together a fundraising plan is you just don't have those ideas ready to go. You don't know what the new things are. You don't have that inspiration. If you have an idea bank, you'll always have the great ideas ready to go, and you make sure you get the value out of those expensive conferences we all go to.